And lamenting the recent struggles of farmers to get lands to ply their trade, the opposition leader in his Emancipation Day message called for land reform.
That is why so many Jamaicans say a sudden thing set. They feel they will never have a chance. While some get so much, they get nothing. It is now time for all Jamaicans to get a piece of the pie, to get a chance to better themselves and improve the lives of their children. To keep so many of our people poor is to dishonor the struggles of our ancestors.
Now, Dr. Phillips also wants squatters to be given lands they occupy.
We would honor the legacy of our ancestors if we transform the lives of the 700,000 Jamaicans described as squatters into landowners with titles. We would honor the legacy of our ancestors by giving thousands and thousands of small farmers titles to the land on which they work.